main ballast tanks. Let's take it down. Dive. Trim that bottom plates 3 degrees. Take it down easy. Catch her at 10 fathoms. Speed 06 at 1/2 knots. Steer 30 degrees. All ahead full. Steady as she goes. As we leave the coast behind and head towards open water, you'll notice that this is a popular spot for divers searching for exotic fish. Right runner, 20 degrees. Set course directly over the Lost City. Thanks. Stand by for weather watch.
Radar 1 standing by.
Our destination today is quite extraordinary. A newly erupting deep water volcano. Even here in the shallows, we can see evidence of such geothermal forces constantly at work. You can tell by our surroundings that they can make some pretty dramatic changes to the landscape. These remnants of ancient civilization were hidden for centuries beneath the ocean floor. Hidden until unearthed by a tremendous volcanic event. The colourful reef that surrounds us is a biological community that thrives in warm, shallow waters. It usually takes more than a year for a coral to grow only
Steer 40 degrees.
An amazing fact when you consider that Australia's Great Barrier Reef stretches over 2,000 kilometres. As we leave this long-lost community behind, we're about to enter a community of a different kind. The coral
Radar
reef.
1, surface storm ahead, sir.
No worries. We'll take it down fast and deep. All controls, 8 degrees down.
Down 80. We're approaching targeted depth, sir.
Level off 180 fathoms.
80 fathom west line.
Set course to 70 degrees true. Steady as she goes.
Aye, sir.
The fish world has always been considered a silent habitat. Now, thanks to remarkable advances in marine technology, we can use instruments such as our sonar hydrophones to actually hear the fish talk.
Too deep for you to see.
Nemo!
Oh, science is great. There's so much to know. Like more explorers, it's time to go.
Nemo's coming out the sea!
Oh, don't worry. Just keep your eyes open for him on the way. Oh, let's go forward, forward.
Let's go! Follow me! To the EAC! Captain, we're approaching the EAC.
Hold her steady. Take her into the current. Go ahead, stand it.
Aye, aye, sir.
The powerful flow of the East Australian current is like an undersea highway. Many creatures can be found commuting in this current, including the majestic sea turtle. Look at you!
Welcome to the EAC, Vinnie Marlin.
This is fun! We're gonna hit the I can help. Oh, no.
It's Nemo!
Where?
That's what I'm trying to put.
Why who?
My son Nemo. Know that.
I do.
We went on a huge adventure together, which you don't remember at all.
Is he orange with white stripes and looks kind of like you when he's smaller?
Yes, have you seen him?
Seen who?
Remember, Bruce, remember the pledge!
Right then. I am a nice shark, not a mindless eating machine. People are friends, not food. Right then, mates. Easy does it. You wouldn't want one of these balloons. Oh. That's it.
Secure all stations. System checking.
Steady, sir.
Right. Let's resume speed.
All ahead, full. Hey, Squirt, what are those twinkling things? I don't know. Race in there. Okay, go.
Dory! What?
Lights.
I see them too.
Reach for the light.
Let's get
Something touched me!
That was me.
How do I know it's you? It could be anybody.
It's not anybody. It's me.
Do I know you?
Dory!
Talk about a small world. My name's Dory, too.
What's that? It looks like...
Oh, me first. I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Jellyfish!
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink.
It's jellyfish!
Now I'm thinking.
Jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish!
All right, Mr. Smarty Pants. Boing.
Stop playing games!
Come on, it's fun. Boing.
No, Dory!
Boing.
We're invited to a party! Let's go!
I love parties.
It's not about finding hot tubs. It's about finding Nemo!
Right behind you.
run in with a sea serpent or an encounter with a mermaid.
Aye, aye, Captain.
We are surfacing and approaching our home port. We've enjoyed having you aboard on this adventurous voyage. Thanks for joining us and have a top day.